Hello, I'm meteorologist Alex Gibbs with the National Weather Service in Peachtree City, Georgia. In today's videocast, I will be discussing the weather for this upcoming week. Let's get started. On the current weather map, the cold front that had brought showers and thunderstorms to north and central Georgia over the weekend had stalled out over southern Georgia and northern Florida. This front will cause the development of showers and thunderstorms across central Georgia today and through the weekend. Daytime heating will lead to rain showers and thunderstorms this weekend across the rest of the state as well. The system in the upper Mississippi River Valley is expected to miss our area as it moves to the east. This image depicts the 5-day rainfall total through 8 a.m. Tuesday. As you can see, most of the rain is located across northern Florida. This is associated with that stalled out front. The rest of the rainfall over the area should be due to typical summertime thunderstorms. Early next week, we see the return of typical summertime weather. You can expect daily afternoon and evening thunderstorms across the state. The best chance for thunderstorms appears to be early next week through the end of next week. Frequent deadly lightning, heavy rain, flooding, hail and wind, some of which could be severe, are expected from these storms. We are especially concerned with the possibility of flash flooding with these storms. With all the recent rainfall we've had, there is an increased chance of flooding from any summertime thunderstorm. Models are starting to hint at the possibility of northwest flow late in the period. While there is uncertainty associated with this system, if this comes true, we can expect cooler and drier air with the passage of a cold front. This cold front could bring strong thunderstorms, where the primary threat would be strong winds. Now for a quick update on the amount of rain that has fallen across the state this year. As you can see, in the past 30 days, the 4 climate sites range from 160% to 266% of normal. We have had so much rain since the beginning of this year that we have essentially erased our drought that we have had over the last 3 years. The chart in the middle is for Atlanta. Now let's talk about the tornadoes that we had last week. Last week broke the longest streak of no tornadoes in June. The last time we had a tornado in June was in 1998. It has been almost 15 years since the last time a tornado occurred in June. In summary, the stalled out front across northern Florida and southern Georgia will be the primary weather producer this weekend across central Georgia. Daytime heating can lead to the development of showers and thunderstorms across North Georgia this weekend as well. Early next week, typical summer weather returns to the Peach State. We expect thunderstorms almost every day. Late next week, we have the potential for a northwest flow storm system where we could see strong thunderstorms and possibly cooler, drier air behind a cold front. We are still a long way from this, but it is a possibility worth mentioning. Lastly, the threat of flash flooding and river flooding has increased this summer compared to the last few summers. With all the rain we've had, we could see typical summertime thunderstorms leading to flash flooding.